My favorite way of making garlic paste is using my blender because it's always on my counter, unlike my food processor. So this is what you can do at home no matter what blender you have. At a minimum, you'll want to add about a cup of garlic cloves, or like I like to say it, a bunch of them. Put the lid on and just give it a good go until your blender is no longer making garlic paste. Just like the food processor, it kind of starts to slow down and it gets stuck on the sides. At that point, turn off the blender, take off the lid, and use a spatula to scrape the sides. Put the lid back on and give it another go. Now with most blenders, you're going to have to go and stir the garlic that's at the bottom a few times until you get that garlic paste. But if you don't have a food processor, it's a great alternative to make a lot of garlic paste at once. Now the blender is never gonna get it as smooth as the food processor just by itself. Let me show you what it looks like up close. But if you want a really smooth texture, you can add a little bit of olive oil, scrape the sides, and give it a last go. And as you can see, it will really give you a smoother garlic paste in the blender that is delicious. So you can store your garlic paste in a glass container like this one, or even a mason jar, or a zip bag in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. You can also freeze it for months and months, and I show you how I do that with all of this garlic paste in another video. So it's ready to go and be used in your favorite recipes. Make sure you check the link in the description box below for that one, and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.